This video I show you how to make coaster Christmas crochet, and I start with magic ring. Make 2 chain, 1, 2, and make 11 double crochet in the ring. The last of the first round, slip stitch the first chain, the second round, 2 chain, and make double crochet in the same stitch. This I counting 1 double crochet increase, and next make double crochet increase 11 times. 1, 2 double crochet increase, and continue in each stitch. The last of the second round, make slip stitch, and now I have 24 stitch. I replace the yarn. I use the red, make 2 chain, and make 1 double crochet in the same stitch. And this counting 1 double crochet increase. Next, make 1 double crochet, and double crochet increase. One double crochet, repeat the pattern. Double crochet increase, 1 double crochet 11 times. I finished the third round. The last, make slip stitch,